For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thanking God for life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you guys missed me? Because I kind of missed you a little bit, yeah? So anyways, I'm going to be doing this tutorial on how to do the diamond shaped parting. And we're doing a tutorial that Beauty Can Braid has already done. My client texted me one day, she sent me a screenshot of her video and she's like, yo, I want this style, so that's what we're gonna do. And I'm just gonna focus on how to achieve that diamond shape parting. So we're gonna be doing our parts in V sections at the back. So we're starting on the right hand side and then we're gonna move to the left side. So we're gonna alternate from right to left. Now I'm just trying to make my part as straight as I possibly can. As you can tell, the struggle is real. I don't know why I was having such a hard time that day. But anyways, what I'm doing is just creating a diagonal shape down from the midpoint of her hair to the base of her, I guess, her neck area. Of course, I'm going to be taking little parts in the section I've already created. So I'm just going to be angling my brush and creating a very diagonal shape parting from that, just to have that little bit to braid, I guess. I'm just going to be doing that and then securing that hair out of the way. I think I'll be doing about 5 different sections within that line, so just doing the sections and then oops clipping them out of the way. I don't like using product if it's not necessary, but if you feel like you need to in order to help you gain more control, then by all means. But I'm just going to be utilizing my clips to help me with that today. So starting from the base, of course, you guys have seen me do box braids so many times, but here we go. I'm just attaching it onto her natural hair. So on the opposite end, you're going to do that same straight line, connecting it to the right hand side, and then of course you're going to do the mini parts in between, to create the little braids. And then you're going to move on to the right side again and create that line. You're just going to alternate from right to left or left to right, depending on where you prefer to start from. Just making sure that your lines are very, very straight and very, very clean. So you're going to use your first braids or your first straight parts. You're going to use it as your guide as you cut your second line. So you want to make sure that those lines are matching together and they're straight and the braids are kind of lined up together when you make that diagonal cut. So just really, really make sure that you're making very, very nice, clean and straight identical parts. I could have parted this little section way better than I did, but anyway, you live and you learn, girl. But yeah, you guys, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. So what I ended up doing was, you know, just dipping the hair in hot water and laying down her baby hair, just the typical things I normally would do. I tried to record the front section, but I didn't really even, because the camera is literally on my forehead, it was so hard for me to get any decent footage, so I just ended up just cutting what I had from the video because it was just a hot mess. I thought I was getting the footage, but I really wasn't. So I'll definitely figure out how to fix my life better for next video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Don't forget to slay your edges, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. And I promise you guys, I'm gonna upload more consistently. It's just the holidays had me in my mood, in my